if you are talking about energy management, energy efficiency, advanced controls, we also should talk about monitoring and supervisory control. And here we have our small range.
Yeah.
Let's change the point of view. Oh, let's go to a map. This looks nicer.
Oh wow, yeah, that looks real good.
This is our boss family, monitoring and supervisory system. It's important to think about these two words, monitoring. Monitoring is just, I look at it, I recognize what is happening, and I record this information.
Yeah.
All necessary variables can be recorded and stored on the controller directly. Part one. Supervisory. Here we are talking about floating suction, floating condensing.
Yeah.
These are the things to shift our suction pressure a little bit higher and to lower our condensing pressure to have the best energy efficiency possible. This is done with controllers like this, or with the monitoring system like this, and controllers like the MPX.
Yeah.
They are able to do this.
And this is what's really key to understanding controllers, because this is what they're all about. Saving energy for your customers, making your systems more efficient. So as he talked about, reducing that head pressure, increasing the suction pressure, reducing the compression ratio or the pressure ratio of that compressor of that system makes it more efficient. It's really cool to see. Can you remotely dial into this system if I'm a technician and I'm on call in the middle of the night?
Absolutely. This is possible. Just a question of the network I have set up at customer side. This is something you have to discuss with your customer. How can I arrange this? This is the main part. But one part we also are able to do with controllers like this and systems like that to manipulate the superheat. Why should we manipulate the superheat of an expansion valve? To avoid the shutdown of the cabinet. Therefore, and this is something, this is the whole system, when everything is connected, they are talking to each other and decide which is the way to go.
Yeah, and that's so important, because with electronics, if you do not set it up or fine tune it properly, you could run into issues like that. Like Timo's saying, if that electronic expansion valve closes in the evaporator, it shuts off the circuit. So you got no mass flow, and that's going to affect other parts of the system. When you have a communication device like this that talks to it and say, okay, well, we'll close down a little bit, but not close fully, so we keep the flow going and move that transfer of heat, right?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Awesome. So what's
Hey, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you got something out of it, something that you can use in your daily life. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell button, because when you do click the bell button, it will notify you anytime new videos are released. Also, check out the Refrigeration Mentor webpage at refrigerationmentor.com, where I'll have all the different trainings, upcoming events, the different podcasts I've been on, as well as the Refrigeration Mentor podcast. If you want to check that out on Apple, Spotify, Google, any service provider of your choice. Super excited to see you at the next video. Now let's get a conversation going.